This app uses AI to separate any song into vocals
Lo normal, todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro.
and instrumentals. To separate a new song, I'll use this icon at the bottom and select the song Despacito from my library. After the song uploads, you get two options: either separate the song into 4 tracks or 2 tracks. Since I want the a cappella and instrumental tracks only, I'm going to select 2 tracks. After the separation is complete, we have the results: a cappella at the top and instrumental below it.
Ay. Fonsi. Chihuahua. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh.
To save the a cappella copy, tap here and select Save. To save the instrumental copy, repeat the same under Instrumental. Let's see how well the app handles different song genres.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here.
Wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright.
And then finally came the day I stopped giving my heart away.
This app is available on the Play Store for Android users and the App Store for Apple users. There are 2 links in the description that will lead you directly to the download page. Give us a like if the video was helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ videos like this. Check out our video on how to remix any song using Virtual DJ.